Hello everybody. Today we will be showing you how to delete card controls and install CardNav from an Android device. The first thing that we need to do is we need to hold onto our card controls app with our finger, and then once the dialog screen pops up, we'll hit uninstall. Do you want to uninstall this app? Press OK, and it will uninstall card controls. The next thing that we need to do is we need to go to our Play Store and we need to search for Emery CardNav. Navigate to it, and it's the one with the icon with the white logo and the gradient background. And then we will install it. After that's complete, we'll go ahead and open Emery CardNav. And that's all we have to do. We'll just let it load, and eventually it will load us into CardNav. I hope that you all have a great day.